Okay, so this is a Norton, I just call it a scrubby pad. You can get these from woodcraft.com. I get them from my local Woodcraft. There's different levels of scrubbiness. The white is no grit. There's a gray one which has a little bit of an abrasive in it. And then there's the red and the green, and I can't remember. They get a little bit stronger with the abrasive. But as you can see, I decided it would be a good idea to put a little bit of finish on here, and it ended up smearing a little bit. So it's giving me these shiny spots. But what you can do, you don't want to sand it. You can use the scrubby pad to take away some of that shininess. There's a little bit of texture there. There's a glob, and so it's going to be a little tricky, but I think I can at least take some of the shininess off the shoulders of that glob and even it out. So that's already looking better. It's tough to see this without getting the reflection. So it's a little hard to shoot. Here's another one where it looks almost like shiny fingerprints in the finish. And so a little bit of just knocking it down with this white pad keeps it even. There's a little bit of streakiness there. So you just kind of burnish it out. So anyways, very subtle, but if you're trying to sell a dresser for a bunch of money and you really want the vintage to make it look like it's all part of the history of the dresser, there's a handy tip for you.